Euro against US dollar this week first of all started losing its value, starting the week below 1.16735. We can see the below this area of support, and then the price has retraced back up above that and reaching 1.17488 resistance level, which means this week has slightly bullish candle. And if we take on the weekly time frame, we can see a small bullish candle body with a smaller wick on the lower upper side and a larger wick on the lower side, and we can see a similar scenario like 2 weeks before. Last 2 weeks are very similar. Last 3 weeks are very similar, where the price cannot manage to make a bullish or bearish breakout, but there were attempts that the bears to take over and push the price down, but it is still unsuccessfully, where the price is still trying to return back up. The monthly time frame is showing that previous month was a strong bullish candle, suggests a further rise in value, so I'm expecting that the price will try to make a bullish breakout above 1.17488, which is a very important resistance level. This is the one where we can see this week the prices first time in the last several weeks has touched this area of resistance, trying to make a bullish breakout. The daily time frame shows us that the Friday was a day where the price was trying to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, trying to move to the higher price levels. So for the next week, I'm waiting for the price to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which will indicate further rise in value, or the price will return back down, then moving sideways still for the next week. But it's something that we'll watch on the Monday, how the price behaves and also how the week starts. Will it open with a gap or without the gap? So let's check the next week how the price behaves, but very important resistance level, and this is something I'm expecting that the price will try to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, continue to rise in value. So I'm more open to see the price rising in value than I'm open to see the price losing its value, which means bearish sentiment. So for now, let's see how the price behaves and wait for the bullish breakout and then follow the market. If there is any kind of a bullish or bearish breakout during the week on the lower time frames like 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders, so they are informed when the price makes a bullish breakout. For example, this week this bullish breakout has been shared with the target here to the resistance level. This is something I have sent to the premium analysis to the traders, so feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders to receive these updates during the week. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.